Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rahul Digital Knack. I am Rahul Sharma. Today's video will include a very unique topic, which is how to connect MySQL database with the PHP backend files of the website. Before proceeding to the video guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. So guys, let's proceed to the topic. So first of all, you need amps if you are using Windows, and you need xampp if you are using Mac OS systems. Then you need a text editor, whichever suits you the best. I prefer Visual Studio Code. You can use any other text editor which you want, for example Eclipse, etc., and many more. So then you need to create a folder of the website files which you want to use. So for that, you will go to local drive C, where you will find amps folder. You can see in the video guys, I am going to the folder in the local C drive, and it's named amps, and inside amps you will find either htdocs folder or www folder. So inside it you will paste the folder as I have pasted here, PHP HTML website folder. So now PHP HTML website folder will consist of all the website files and all the database files. So let's get back to the Visual Studio Code. Now I will create a new file, as I'm going to tell you how to connect MySQL database with the website PHP file. So let's create a file named database.php, and inside this file we will have the variables which will define our database. So I will first of all create a variable server name, and server name, as we are using a local host, so it will be localhost. Then I will be using the username of my SQL, which is root. Then I will be using the variable password, and the password is, you can see on the screen. Now another variable which we will be using is $database. Now $database, for the timing I will not be using, and I will tell you afterwards why I am not using it. So this is the file database.php, which consists our overlook and the overall variables, main variables of the database. Now I will create a new file, and let's name it as form.php. Okay, let me rename it. It should be saved as form1.php. Okay, so I will delete the form.php, it's not required. So I have created form.php, and now you can see the variables from database.php. Now I will, inside my form.php, I will use first of all the tags of PHP. Of course the syntax remains the same. Then I will use require_once and the file name database.php, which consists of all the variables, the main variables which will be needed throughout this video. So then I will use a variable $CONN, which stands for connection, and I will then initialize it with new MySQLi, and in bracket I will write the variables $server name, $username, and $password. Then I will use if statement, which will say if $connect $CONN is having a property of connect_error, then echo database is not connected. Okay, now I will be using $query variable, just because we haven't created a database. So we will first need to create a database. So I will create database, and which will be form1, and then I will be coming to the next line, and I will be writing $result, in which $CONN will have a property of query. Now guys, I'm creating database through PHP programming, and this is only possible because my database and my SQL is connected. So now I will write, if it is not $result, then echo database is not created, and then I will use next line tag, which is BR, and then else echo database is created. So now guys, we have got the variable $query which will create the database in the MySQL system. So I will go to the browser, I will write it here localhost, which consists of all the files, and I will open my website folder, and it's saying database is not created. Okay guys, on the $query number 69 on the right hand side of the video, you can see I have written form1.php. I will rename it as form1, and now you can see database is created. Now I will show you that the database is created into my MySQL database 2. So I will log into my phpmyadmin, and then I will find form1. Okay, this is the database I have created, guys, you can see on the screen. And now I will just go back to my Visual Studio Code, and now next thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna create a table inside this database. But for that, first of all, we will go back to database.php. Now we will use $database variable, which will consist of our database name. So now I will add $database to the variable of $CONN, and I will use just after if statement, as you can see on the 5th line, else statement, which will be saying database is connected. Okay, it's saying database is okay. So guys, there's something problem on line number 3. Oh, the variable that I need to put is database. I have written form1, so I will write it here database, and now it's saying database is connected. Now it's saying database is not created because it has been created once, so we can't override the database with the same name again and again. So I will just create a table now, and for that I will go back to the line number 7, just where we initialize the variable query. I will write create table. Now the table name will be user, and inside user I will be having various rows. So the rows will be, first of all, it will be your name and varchar. The character limit will be 122, and then I will write user ID, varchar, and again the same character limit 122, and then after I will write email, varchar 122 is the character limit, and I will close the bracket. Now I will just go back to if statement, and I will rename database with table, and again in the else statement to table, and now I will save the file. So it's saying table is created. So this is how, guys, you can create a table and database through PHP files and connect MySQL database with that PHP file. So we will proceed the next part in the next video, guys, and do tell me in the comments if you want the next part. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.